Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing video for you guys, and I will also be swatching these gel polishes. What I love about this package and the reason why I wanted to share with you guys, because it's super affordable. You guys can find on Amazon. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys probably saw it already, but pretty much I love this kit so much that I had to share it here on the channel with you guys. So the brand is called VOXURY. As you guys can see, everything comes so well packaged. I was super impressed. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the plastic up, which I love this idea of having the plastic protecting the boxes, especially like if you love saving your boxes. So that's a plus for me. As you guys can see, this is pretty much what it brings. 8 pieces or 8 polishes. And this is just pretty much the ingredients and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you guys. Very well packaged from the inside as well, as you guys can see. I love how it has a nice card inside where it has information if you guys are new to gel. And also just pictures so you guys can pretty much get the concept of it and, you know, more information on the back. It also includes a dual-ended magnetic stick because this is a cat eye gel polish kit. So we're going to start off with the first color that comes in the box. And look how beautiful this looks. I feel like the camera obviously doesn't do the justice, but we're going to go ahead and swatch them. If you guys want to go straight into the swatches, just go ahead and forward the video. Here you have another gel polish, which is absolutely beautiful. I love the pearl color in it. The way when you swatch it, you're going to see how the colors change. Some of them do look similar from the bottle. And I just wanted you guys to know that now. But they are very different when you swatch them. So I was kind of concerned when I seen them at first. But yeah, just to let you guys know that. Also, this is the third color. I want to show you guys there were a few colors in the box that were, the consistency were different, and I will point that out in a second. But this black gel polish was absolutely bomb, guys. I'll show you guys when I swatch that in a second as well. So here you guys are going to notice that the consistency is a little bit more thick. I believe it's because it has more pigment to this color. So I'll show you guys how to work with this type of gel as well. The reason why I'm going to rate this gel polish kit more for like intermediate nail techs is because I would say for a beginner, you'll probably be confused on how to apply it. So this is another color from the box. As you guys can see, this is another gel polish. One of the ones that I absolutely love is like a rose gold pearly type of color. They also look a little bit like reflective type of gel polishes, which I absolutely love because you guys know that they are very popular now. And this is one of the other polishes that I thought was towards like the thick consistency. So it was about 2 or 3 of them from this box. But that's pretty much it. Nothing to be concerned about. I believe there's so many polishes out there like that. Just wanted to point that out for you guys. So here you guys can see with a white swatch stick, I am purposely layering the gel polish, swatching the gel polish, sorry, so that you guys can get a good look at what this actually, you know, the coverage of this color. So that's just one coat. Absolutely beautiful. The tacky layer from it isn't like extra thick, you know. So I absolutely give that a plus. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is after it's cured, and that's what it looks like. Nice, beautiful, and thin. I do recommend to use swatch sticks like white and black when you guys are swatching these type of colors so that you guys save your black and white gel polishes. So I'm just going to go ahead and start swatching. So for the first color, I'm just going to go ahead in with one of the thick consistency. As you guys can see, I'm just using what's on the brush. And I'm going ahead and pulling that down. You know, stretching my gel. As I always tell you guys, make sure you're stretching your gel. I see a lot of videos where, you know, nail techs are applying their gel polish and they're just slapping on more of the product. There's no need to grab any more of the product that's on the brush unless you didn't pick up enough. Here I'm just going to go straight in with the magnet, and this is before curing. If you guys have trouble with this, maybe you're curing your gel polish before, so just keep an eye out for that. So this is the way that this gel polish works. You guys can also come in from underneath if you're using a long tip, as you guys can see, and you guys can play around with that. So super easy, something fun to play around with. I absolutely enjoyed swatching these. That's why I wanted to share the video. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Also, excuse my voice, guys. If you guys hear me a little bit, you know, I'm a little bit sick at the time, but I'm much more better than I was. So yeah, that's pretty much that. This is the rosy gold, I'm gonna say like pearly color. I absolutely adored. One of my favorite out of the kit, actually. So nice and thin. You can see that the consistency changes here, so much more easier to apply. Just make sure you are stretching your gel, and then just go right ahead and with your magnet stick. Here I'm just playing around with the magnet stick and see what I can get from that, but this is pretty much what I got. So I absolutely love the colors. You can see that there's 2 colors in each one of these swatches, because they kind of like change in between. That was something that I absolutely was like crazy about. So this here is another color from the swatch. Sorry, from the box. And as I swatch it, you guys can see this is like a mermaid blue with like the purple tone to it. Absolutely loved it. That you guys can see how it has like the glittery feel in it, and with, you know, the lighting and the flash and all that, it looks absolutely amazing. So here you guys have it. If you guys tap your magnet stick on top of the gel while it's wet, it's fine. Just give it a couple seconds and it'll set back into place. So there you have it. Absolutely gorgeous. I didn't swatch this with a white stick, swatch stick yet to share with you guys, but I might do a separate video with another tutorial. So just let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see, you know, different backgrounds to this. So absolutely beautiful. This is another polish that was on the thick side, but you guys see how much I'm opening up my brush. I'm trying to get all of whatever product that's on my brush onto the nail without having to pick up any more of the product, because I'm just gonna build it, and you don't want to build it so it doesn't look thick. So make sure you're just stretching down that polish as much as possible. And there you guys have it, a nice thin coat, nice even thin coat. So there you have it. And the way you know if it's thin enough is just looking at the glare. The glare will let you know. Like, so here it is a little wavy still. Just give it a couple seconds for it to set. Also, I'm going in with my magnetic stick, and you guys will see how I do tap onto it a little bit there. Just give it a couple seconds as well. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys just, you know, have fun with it. Gel polish is super, super cool to play around with. Once you guys get the hang of it, you will love it. And that's pretty much that. Each color I cured for 60 seconds under the UV lamp. I have a Kiara Sky lamp, so that's pretty much that. And then here is another beautiful color. See how I go down the center, go down the sides, and then I'm going to work my brush into that cuticle area. So make sure you're just opening up, like fanning out that brush. Open it up, bring it down, so that way you're not making too much of a mess in that cuticle area. And then look how beautiful that application looks. So let's go ahead with our magnetic stick. Again, this is before curing. And we're going to go ahead and play around with the magnet. Look how beautiful that looks. I think this is like one of my favorites as well, because I think I'm going to use this more towards like the fall. It's like one of those beautiful colors that you would use in the fall time. It's like burgundy, and then it has a, you know, little bit of glitter, and then with the black background, I think it's perfect. So look how beautiful that looks. Super easy, something quick to work on your clients if you guys like to use gel polishes. This color was absolutely beautiful as well. Very similar to like the gloves I have on, as you guys can see. I would say this is like more of a pinky, glittery, pearly type of color. So super cute. It does have like a purple tint to it as well that I absolutely love. And here I'm just playing around with just different angles of my magnetic stick. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So there you have it. Pretty much, you know, again, what you see me doing here is just playing around with different angles to see what I get from that. Have fun with it. Try different positions and angles and see what works best for you. Here you guys have this beautiful color. As you guys can see, you can see the different tones in it. I absolutely love that. It looks kind of like a galaxy nail. Each color I do cure in between for 60 seconds, and then this is our last color. So absolutely beautiful. As you guys can see, you can't see much of it as I'm swatching, but the cool part is when you go in with the magnetic stick, how it pulls out the different colors and things like that. Also, something really cool I like to do is top some of them off with a matte top coat, and then I'll go in and draw on top of it with a clear top coat. So that's just something you guys can play around with as well. So that's pretty much that. Here I just went in and made like these different, you know, I would say like petal shapes into it. Look how beautiful that looks. And this is the final result. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button if you did. If you guys want any information on the products shown here on the video, I will have them linked down below for you guys. So again, thank you guys so much for your support. If you are new here to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.